Imperfection in solids. Imperfection in solids is nothing but defects in solids. Okay, so now we will discuss about how the imperfection or the defects occurs in solids. Different types of defects in solids means classification of defects in solids and some characteristics of defects in solids. Okay, so first in today's lecture, I will cover first introduction means what is defect, the terminology of crystal defect. So in the first today's lecture, I will discuss about the introduction of the lecture means crystal defects, then types of defects. So actually there are different types of defects, and then I will discuss about two point defects. Today I point defects. Actually, different types of defects are there. So today I will only discuss the point defects, and different types of point defects are there. It's vacancy defects, interstitial defects, Schottky defects, and Frankel defects. So these topics I will cover today. Now, the basic concepts of defects. So, actually, why the term defects come? So, in case of ideal crystal, ideal crystal is nothing but a periodic arrangement of lattice points and motif. Lattice point means lattice point. I have told in the previous class what is lattice point. So, just the periodically arrangement of lattice points and motif. Motif is nothing but atoms. So, if there is a periodically arrangement in crystal, then the crystal is called ideal crystal. So, ideal crystal is nothing but a periodic arrangement of lattice and motif. But in really, it is not happen. Means in really, the periodically arrangement of lattice and motif for all the crystals are not happen. Okay. So in real condition, what happened? There is a there is a irregularity or deviation from the ideality. Okay. So in real, what happened? In real crystal or in reality, there is a no periodically arrangement of lattice and motif. So if there is any irregularity or any deviation from the ideality, then the crystal is nothing but a defect or real crystal. Okay, so in the first animated picture, this is nothing but a periodically arrangement of lattice plus motif. Okay, but in the second animated view, you see that one atom is displaced from its original position, and these atoms uh, may occupy in any vacancy or any interstitial positions. Okay, so in this actually this is the real case. In real, the crystal are like this. So in real, all the crystals are in defect. Okay, so this is actually the defect in crystalline solids or solids. So I think you have understand that or clear that what is ideal case and what is the defect in crystal. So defect of crystal is nothing but the deviation of ideality. Ideality means when it is ideal, when that ideal will be when the periodically arrangement of lattice plus motif means there is a periodicity or periodically maintained. There is a no irregularity, no deviation, then that is called ideal. And if there is a deviation or irregularity, deviation from ideality or irregularity, then it is called a defect crystals. Okay. Now there are different types of defects in crystals. So this classification actually he made according to the dimension of the defects. Means defects may be 0 dimensions, maybe 1 dimensions, maybe 2 dimensions, or maybe 3 dimensions. Means defect in crystal means classification of defects in crystal is according to the dimensionality of the defects. Means zero dimension means if the zero dimension defect, then this type of defects are called nothing but point defect. Okay, and the defect is in one dimensional, then one dimensional defect, then this type of defects are called nothing but a line defect. Line is nothing but one dimensional, means any line is nothing but one dimensional, that it is called line defect. And point is actually 0 dimension, no dimension, so this is called a 0 dimensional defect. Now if the dimension defects are in 2 dimensional, then this is called a surface defect. Okay, and if the defects in 3 dimensional, that is called a volume defect. Now different types, actually there are different types of point defects, means 0 dimensional defects. That 0 dimensional defects may be vacancies, may be interstitial defects, may be Schottky defects, may be Frankel defects. In one dimensional defects, it may be edge defect or edge dislocation, and or maybe screw dislocation. Okay. In surface defects may be grain boundary type, twin boundary type, or a stocking fault. A stocking fault is nothing but a surface energy type. This is energy type. Okay. And three-dimensional defects are nothing but a voids. In today's class, we will discuss only the point defects. In the next class, we will discuss about line defects and surface defects. So now, what is the point defects? So, if the deviation occurs because of missing of atoms or displaced atom or extra atoms, means adding of extra atoms, then the defect is called nothing but a point defect. So there is a missing of atoms or displacement of atoms or adding of extra atoms. So consider this is the regular structure, or in ideal case, so this is actually in ideal case. So in ideal case, all the lattice points and motifs are arranged in a regular way. Okay, or periodically arranged. But suppose find one atom or group of atoms. Suppose in case of one atom or group of atoms, means this atom, this atom, this atom missing from his position. Okay, or these atoms displaced from his position, or extra atoms add anywhere. Means suppose it may be here or any vacant position. So if any one atom or group of atoms add adds in vacant position, then defects will occur, and this defects is called nothing but a point defects. So what is the causes of what are the causes of point defects? Such defects can be results in imperfect packing during the original crystallization. So if there is a imperfect packing or during the crystallization, so during the crystallization is there is a imperfect packing, means not a closely packed, not a proper packed, then point defects may occur, or they may arise from thermal vibration of atoms. So these may also arise due to the thermal vibration of atoms at elevated temperature, because with increase in thermal energy there is increased probability of individual atoms jumping out of their position to lowest energy. Because at high thermal energy, what happens? Atoms may jumping out to their nearest position or lowest energy position. Now, point defects are of mainly three types. One is impurity defects. Another is stoichiometric defect and non-stoichiometric defect. So mainly point defects are of three types: stoichiometric defects and non-stoichiometric defects. Okay. In stoichiometric defects, point defects are of four types. It is vacancy defects, interstitial defects, Schottky defects, and Frankel defects. And non-stoichiometric type point defects are metal excess defects, metal deficiency defects. Means if the metal is excess, then non-stoichiometric type defects are caused, and these non-stoichiometric types is called metal excess defects. And if there is a deficiency, then metal deficiency defects in non-stoichiometric metal deficiency defects occurs. Now, today we will discuss about only stoichiometric defects, and actually stoichiometric defects are in your syllabus. So actually, what is stoichiometric defects? Stoichiometric defects, in this case, the components in which the number of cations and anions are exactly in the same ratio. So in stoichiometric defects, if the defects is in the crystal, but the ratio of cations and anions are exactly the same. So the compounds in which the number of cations and anions are exactly in the same ratio as represented by their chemical formula are called as stoichiometric compounds. The defects do not disturb the ratio of the cations and anions. So in case of stoichiometric defects, the ratio of cations and anions do not disturb, means one remains constant. The ratio of cations and anions remains same in case of stoichiometric defects. So just remember this: the in case of stoichiometric defects, the ratio of cations and anions are remain same or do not disturb.
Hello.
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 I think the connection of speaker has paused and they will be come back after few minutes. So please you can stop and don't go from here.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Hello, hello. Just
Yes, sir.
are you
Yes, sir.
listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Uh, so we will discuss about the stoichiometric defects. So first one is vacancy defect. So from the terminology, I think you understand that these defects occurs due to nothing but creation of vacant. So how the vacant will create? If one atom will displace from its original position, then vacancy will create it at that position. Okay. So this is actually simplest point defect in the crystal. So in this case, nothing but a missing of atoms or a vacant atom site. So just consider her. So just consider this atom. This atom is missing from its original position, or this atom is displaced from its original position. So suppose in case of sodium chloride, this type of atoms are chlorine, and this type means blue color atoms are of chlorine, and this type of atoms are sodium. So in ideality, these crystals are all the chlorine and sodium ions are in periodically arrangement. But if chlorine ion is missing from is this from its position, means here, then a vacancy will create, and this is not called the vacancy defect. So this defect may be single or die vacancies or try vacancies. Okay. So this results in decrease in density of the substance. Obviously, if if one atom or more than one atom or group of atoms missing from its regular position or from its position or from the crystal structure or substance, then what happens? Density will decrease. So in this type of defects, the density is lower or density will decrease. These defects can also develop when a substance is heated. Means when the material or substance is heated, then the excited atoms, which is in a higher energy, will missing from its original position or its position. Then what happens? A vacancy may create. So these defects can also develop when the substance is heated. Now, interstitial defects. So, in the previous defects, what happened? Atom or group of atoms or identical atoms are missing from its position. But in this case, what happened? Extra atom occupy a interstitial position. Okay, so actually this is the periodically arrangement of atoms. Okay, means periodically arrangement of lattice point and motifs. Okay, so this is the real or means ideal crystal. But if one atoms or more than one atoms are occupied its interstitial position, then what happens? This type of defects occur, and this is called nothing but a interstitial defects. So in these defects, what happens? And one or more atoms will add or occupy its interstitial position. Okay, so because of these atoms, the defects will occur in crystal. Atoms is displaced from its normal position within the crystal to an interstitial position. Okay, so it may be due to the displacement of atoms from its normal position within a crystal, means within that crystal to an interstitial position. Okay. It occurs due to the foreign atom. So it occurs maybe either the displacement of atoms from its normal position within the crystal to its interstitial position, or addition of extra foreign atoms that substitutes the position of parent atoms in the crystal lattice. So in this case, what happens? Extra atoms will add to the interstitial or substitution position. Okay, so this is the case of substitution of foreign atoms, and this is the interstitial foreign atoms. So both the cases, what happen? An extra atom will add, and that's why the density of the substance will increase. vacancy and interstitial are inverse phenomena. Obviously, in vacancy, what happens? Atoms or one or more atoms or identical as group of atoms will disappear from its regular position or crystal structure. But in interstitial defects, what happens? Extra atoms occupy its interstitial position. So vacancy and interstitial are just inverse of one each other. Means these two phenomena, these two defects are nothing but a inverse phenomena. Now Schottky defect. So Schottky defects is a type of point defects in a crystal that is first discovered by Walter H. Scotty, and according to his name, it is called the Schottky defect. So in ideal cases, all the positive and negative charges are arranged in a periodically manner. In ideal case. So all the positive and negative charged ions and cations are arranged in periodically manner. Okay. But one opposite charge means either cation or anion leaves their lattice sites. Means if suppose in this case one negative ion means anion, this is a negative ion, this negative ion leaves from its position. Okay, then what happens? The defects will occur in the crystal. So if this negative ion disappear, means if this negative ion disappear from its position, then what happens? A vacancy will create. Okay, suppose this is the in case of if the positive ions means this sodium plus ion, Na plus ion, this is the Na plus ion. So if Na plus ion removed from its original position, then what happen? A vacancy will create. Okay. So, but if one positive ion is removed from its position, then what happens? The charge may be the charge of total positive ions and total negative ions will disbalance. Means if one positive ion has removed from this arrangement, periodically arrangement, then what happens? One positive ion will be means one positive ion less compared to the total negative ion. So what happened? One negative ion also have to be removed from its near negative ions. Okay, so this is actually to balance the charge, means or to balance the ratio of total positive ions and total negative ions, means cations and anions. So pair of positive or negative ions are missing in a crystal. Pair of ion vacancies is called actually the Schottky defects. Crystal is electrically neutral in this type of defect because if the one positive ion remove or leave from its position, then one negative ion also have to remove to balance the electrical electrical electrically charge electrical charges. Means total positive ions ratio of total cations and anions have to be maintained. So this is called a Schottky defect. So a Schottky defect is nothing but to remove of any positive ions, that is cations, or negative ions, that is anions. But if leave any positive ions or cations, then you have to leave another one negative ions, means anion, or positive anions or positive ions respectively, to maintain the ratio of cations and anions are not disturbed. Means you have to maintain the ratio of cations and anions. Means same number of cations and same number of anions have to be maintained. Okay. So Schottky defects is in this case also, this is the density of the substance will decrease because anions and cations are both removed from its original position. Now Frankel defect. Frankel defects. So a Frankel defect is called known as a Frankel pair or Frankel disorder. It is a type of point defect in a crystal lattice. So it means this defect has first developed a Frankel, and according to his name, it is called a Frankel defect. This defect forms when an atom or a smaller ion leaves its place in the lattice, creating a vacancy, and become an interstitial by lodging in a nearby location. So in this case, what happened? Suppose this is the positive ion, means cation. So this cation will leave from its position. Means so this cation will leave its regular position and displace it into its near interstitial or substitutial position. So it just this positive ions, means cation, just displaced from its regular position to near interstitial position. So suppose in this case, suppose these atoms are positive atoms and small atoms are negative one. Okay, so these small negative ions, mean anions, displaced from its regular position to the near interstitial position. So in this case, total number of anions and cations remains constant. Means these anions will these anions are negative charge ions does not remove from the crystal. So it just leave from its regular position to the near substitution position. Okay, so in this case, total number of positive ions means cations and total number of negative ions, anions, remains constant. So in this case, the density of the substance will remain the constant. Okay, so these are 4 point defects that I have discussed. If any query from anyone, then you can ask. So any query?
No, sir.
Okay, all of you have understand, no? Yes.
Yes, sir.